Hey everybody, today we're gonna make a hat for little Mac. Yeah, hey buddy. This is Lapul's pattern for the Lyon Easy Beanie. And at the time of making this video, the pattern is actually free on Ravelry. I'm gonna adapt and modify the pattern a little bit just because Mac's ears don't come up on top of his head, they kind of hang down alongside. And I made a little sketch here. I always love sketching out projects before I make them, just to help me visualize what the final product should look like. So I'm going to do the hat exactly the same as the pattern says, just omitting the ear holes, and I'm going to add these little ear flaps, and we'll see how it goes, but my idea is I'm going to make them very similar to how Petite Knit Sophie scarf is designed. So I plan to do garter stitch and then add that little eye cord, and then just add the eye cord in the same way that Lapul has done for Leon's hat. So I plan to use some scraps. These are all Sandnes Garn Duo, just in different colors. And I already made my swatch right here. I love the drape of Sandnes Garn Duo. The gauge is going to be a little bit different from Lapul's. It's the same amount of stitches, but more rows than the pattern calls for, but I'll adapt that as I go. What's really great about this pattern and a lot of Lapul's patterns is she makes them very adaptable for different shapes, different body sizes, humans, dogs alike. So it's going to be real easy to adapt, I think. All right, the first thing we're going to do is measure Mac's head. And I've got a little treat here because he tends to like to bite the tape measure. I don't know why, but he thinks this is a toy. Good boy. Okay, looks like it. Good boy. About 34 centimeters. He's such a good boy. Good boy, buddy. And now we'll measure his ears and the height of his head. Okay, so can you stay, buddy? Good job. 10 centimeters and about 4 centimeters for the top of your head. Good job, buddy. Great job. Good job. If I've done my math correctly, I think I need to cast on 22 stitches and work somewhere around 120 rows. So let's see how it goes. And it started snowing outside, so I think we're going to move the couch closer to the window so we can get a good view. Mac loves looking out the window when it's snowing outside. All right, all 4 colors are now on the needles. We've got our first 4 kind of stripes, if you will. I was originally going to make all of the stripes the same width and try and make it very orderly looking, but I kind of don't think that's what makes these kind of projects fun, especially with scrap yarn. So I'm going to wing it a little bit more, and I'll show you guys what it looks like as I get more rows on here, and we can test it out around little Mac's head here. And he's already sleeping. Alright, so I finished the length of the beanie, and we can try it around Mac's head. So it looks like it's going to fit pretty well around Mac's head. I just need to sew it together and create the little brim like Lapul shows in her pattern. Okay, this is the finished product. Let's see how Mac likes it. Looks good. Now I want to add some ear flaps, and I want to do it in the same style as Petite Knit's Sophie scarf. So she also uses garter stitch, but she uses this really nice I-cord edge. And I created this mock-up, but it's a bit too small for Mac's ears. And it's all done. it on this little jar after I blocked it, and I think it looks so cute. Do you like it, Mac? We can try it on him. What do you think, buddy? Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I hope you have a wonderful day.